Hi, welcome all. My name is Amit Veer. I'm here to present a webinar today on a topic called Transform Your Business Processes. So let me show you what is the agenda for today. First is why companies need a BPM tool, the challenges faced by them, and the solutions which we can offer. Also, then we will focus on Bista's BPM offering, the core capabilities of that BPM offering. Also, we will present you one case study, customer case study, and then we can have a round of session for question and answer. So let me start you with the introduction with Bista Solutions. Bista Solutions is a dynamic software company providing world-class business solutions to a wide range of enterprises and SMEs. Our solutions include BPM solution, ERP applications, business analytic tools and implementations of the same, e-commerce platforms, and also IT solutions. We have over 1,500 customers globally, and then we have award-winning and preferred development team, implementation and integration and customization partner. We are preferred vendor for such work to be done across the world. We are founded in 2007 and we are headquartered in Atlanta. Then we have offices worldwide as well. In India, we have a development center. Middle East, we have offices. Then we have office in Canada also. Having put together the professionals around all the offices, we are more than 400 software professionals. We are ISO certified company. Also, we are HIPAA compliant. HIPAA compliance is for data security with the client, which is very essential. The solutions which we have on offer are pertaining to the industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, telecom, wholesale and distribution, professional services, field services, and retail as well as e-commerce companies. So let's move on to the question wherein why companies need BPM tool. Whenever any organization is struggling to streamline their business processes, then you need a BPM tool. Then there are certain questions such as, are you running into barriers which are difficult to impede in quick response in a regular changing demands? You're having any troubles in optimizing the integration of the technology? Or are you encountering any hurdles to improve your internal and external process? So for all these, you need a ProcessMaker tool. Let me give you an example. These are typical challenges faced by any organization. If the processes are not automated, there are different departments working in an organization, and those departments are working in silos. So there is no coordination between these departments. That is very that is a essential and very common challenge which are faced by organizations across the globe. With a simple example, I can explain you that. Consider an example of employee raising a leave request. So there are multiple people involved in this process, such as supervisor, manager, administrator, HOD, and HR for the application of the leave request. Now, if you don't have a business process tool, these requests generally go to a manager and supervisor, but other people are not aware about it. So because of such improper information of the flow, there are discrepancies. Also, these are the challenges faced by the people. There are a lot of paperwork which has been there. Let's consolidate all these challenges in this slide. If you can see, if any organization needs an integrated view of their entire organization, they need to refer to a lot of documents. This is the major challenge in all the industries, all the companies majorly. Then you need a proper flexibility to improve your performance. When we say flexibility, people need to go into different departments to gather the information which hampers their performance, as well as it decreases the efficiency of the people. The proper monitoring of the work is a challenge in most of the organizations, wherein all the work has been done, all the processes are being conducted into paper environment, which needs a lot of monitoring, and that is lacking in the organization wherein we don't have a ProcessMaker tool. Then we can talk about proper processing of the urgent requests. Sometimes you have to address some issues at a very urgent level. This is again a major challenge which people are facing. And then there are a lot of tasks which are manual activities. So you need automated tasks to be performed in organizations. This is the major challenge which are faced. So what BPM tools can help you with? We have seen the challenges now. Now let's see the benefits of the BPM tool. This BPM tool can enable your organization to align your business functions with your customer needs and help executives to determine how to deploy, monitor, and measure your company resources. Basically, it increases the visibility into your organization. Thus, it will help you to monitor as well as the deploy the company resources as and when required. Also, this BPM tool can enhance your efficiency and productivity. Once you have every information at a click of a button, then that results in an increase of efficiency and productivity. Of course, in turn, it will reduce your cost and it will minimize your errors. Also, once you have minimized your errors, it will reduce your risk also. BPM also contributes to your financial management and provides visibility into your organization, which will help you to succeed in meeting your goals. So whenever we talk about meeting your goals, it's always about the transparency, visibility, and the revenue and the goals which we have set for your organizations. So if you have a BPM tool, this will enable you to achieve all these parameters on a great level. So which are the tangible benefits which you can get out of a BPM tool? So BPM tool can help you to increase your revenue. Once you have increase your efficiency, which will in turn increase your revenue also. There are reductions in cost. There is a lot of transparency across the different departments, which will result in a cost reduction. You can compliance with all the regulatory norms which are there, because if there are regulatory norms which are being adhered or implied on your organization, that can be easily compliant with the processes implemented with the BPM tool. Risk management, you can take care of the risks which are there in terms of the data security, also in terms of the transparency in your organization. Productivity improvement, a lot of people will have to, their productivity also will be improved, because you will get the data across all these departments also between the people, which will increase in the productivity. Customer satisfaction, because there is a visibility across all the departments, so the customer satisfaction also improves. It gives you a competitive advantage against your competitors, because in case once you have greater efficiency, greater you have reduced your cost, then you are compliant with all the processes and your productivity has increased, this certainly will benefit you to competitive advantage. So moving ahead, which is the BPM tool we are talking about over here? So Bista solution can offer you a BPM tool which is ProcessMaker. This is an open source community BPM tool. This BPM tool is available openly. I mean, the application is freely available. It's an open source application, and the company this is a community version of a company called Calosa, and this application is designed for all types of organizations providing workflow automations, and it can manage your business processes. It also helps you to formalize your processes, automate your data flows, and improve your performance. So what are the capabilities of the Bista in terms of implementing a ProcessMaker? So Bista Solutions is a gold partner with almost 5 years with ProcessMaker now, and we have been developing and deploying implementation and doing implementation of ProcessMaker globally. And we have expertise to do complex customizations also of ProcessMaker, and we have implemented more than 100 different projects of ProcessMaker worldwide. So these are the capabilities which we have as a Bista solutions. We can help our clients to determine the best practices for BPM in your industry. We can help you to select the right product for your needs. We can help you to gather your business requirements and set measurable goals. We can help you to design an optimal roadmap for delivering changes. We can help you to identify the key risk and mitigating actions. Also, we can help you to discover procedures, knowledge, and practice that must be in place for a successful BPM implementation. So basically, as a process maker tool, it can improve your organization by improving by automating the processes which you have. Let me give you a simple example with the before and after effect slides. When the BPM tool is introduced in the organization, it can increase your efficiency. It can increase the visibility into your organization. Quality of the people's work will be improved with that because of the efficiency increased as well as the visibility increased. Collaboration between the departments also will increase, and there will be reduced paperwork once you introduce the BPM tool. So let me give you an example with a case study where we have implemented a process maker. Lakosi Toyota in Mumbai, they are a franchisee owner of Toyota showrooms. They have implemented Process Maker with the help of Bista solutions. Now in this Process Maker implementation, Toyota Lakosi has automated key departments such as HR. So all of their leave requests, their timekeeping forms are being done in Process Maker. Requisitions for material for their clients as well as for their internal usage is being processed in a process maker, which is helping them to which is helping their admin process to automate their processes. Also in sales, invoicing, cancellations, also and refunds. These are the processes which are automated. Accounts is using process maker for advances, petty cash and settlements. So with the help of this implementation, Lakosi Toyota has improved their business agility. They have increased their efficiency. They are saving more time and money on day-to-day activities, operations, and also there is more transparency in their businesses. So it has helped them a lot improving their business processes. Also, their departments, all of the departments efficiency has been increased with the process maker. So you can find more details about this case study on Process Maker website in a success story column. These are the few of our customers wherein we have done implementation, enterprise implementations. You can have a look over here. Moving ahead, if you want to see a demo of a process maker, you can request the same on our email address, sales@bistasolutions.com. Now is the time for a question and answer. I'll be more than happy to answer your queries. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, so there is one user who have a question. Uh, the question is like this: Process Maker can be integrated with other applications. Yes, Process Maker can be implemented and integrated with other applications. Even that can be an ERP solution or an accounting application. It can be integrated with that. Also, this integration can be two-way. The system can push and process some information and push that into an other application, and also it can pull some information from any other ERP or any other application for that matter. We just need an API services. So with any web application, if you have web services available, Process Maker can be integrated. The other way of integrating with any other application can be with a intermediate tool wherein we can define one folder wherein the data can be pushed, and the same can be published again in Process Maker for any other processes. So yes, answer is very much we can integrate with any other application. Another question which has been asked by another attendee over here is, how easy is to change the processes after the completion of implementation of ProcessMaker. So let me tell you that ProcessMaker is an easy application. It can be implemented on your servers or on anywhere in the cloud. This implementation, once it is completed, it is easy to change also. So any user who is having little bit of Java understanding can do any changes into the system, and it can be saved very easily. So once implemented on your server or on the cloud for your business processes, anybody who is having such knowledge for Java can go and change the processes. You don't have to come to any vendor or come to Bista solutions for any changes to make into the system. So it is very easily available. If at all you have any other queries apart from this, you can address it to sales@Bista Solutions. And thank you very much. Thank you for attending this webinar. Thank you.